I hated looking in any mirrors because I didn't like looking at myself. I felt out of place. It was definitely hard feeling like I could fit in and that anybody would even want to be with me because of my birthmark. My name is Becca, and I was born with port wine stain and blue nevus. I was hiding behind makeup in a way that I felt like I had to wear it when I went out. It was like not only a physical mask on my face, but also an emotional one, just because I felt like I had to wear it all the time to just feel normal. I discovered Sephora when I was just out of college. I love Sephora just because I feel like they're so inclusive in making everybody feel beautiful, whether you wear a ton of makeup or you're more into skincare or hair. There's something for everyone there. I'm so excited to be included in the Sephora squad for 2021. I get to partner with Sephora and all their amazing vendors that they have for the next year, and I'm just very excited about the opportunity. Growing up, I was adopted from Korea, and I grew up in a small town in northern Minnesota. I was like the minority in the town, and then obviously I looked different from everybody else because of my birthmark. I was at a grocery store once, and I had somebody run up to me, and they were like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "Yep, it's a birthmark." And it was just very awkward and uncomfortable. And I've had several experiences like that. In December of 2017, I decided that I was going to post myself with my birthmark. It was the first time I had shown my birthmark on social media in any type of way, so that was really nerve-wracking. Me posting that photo was my big coming out moment of I'm going to accept myself in the skin I'm in and start to learn to really love myself. It was just such a weight lifted off my shoulders. I was very surprised and, pleased with the outcome of my peers and their positive response that they had. It was really exciting for me, and it just felt really good to be able to kind of share my story with people. And that's also when I just kind of discovered makeup as more of a creative outlet and not just a way to hide my birthmark. For me, finding my true identity and sharing that with people has just been so freeing. I am hoping just to spread my story of learning to love myself and that I'm still on this journey of loving the skin I'm in. I also just want to give somebody who might look like me, whether it's a birthmark, that they're not alone and that there are other people out there with the same struggles and the same, fears and anxieties. But we are all beautiful in our own right.